If you're over 60, this could be the most important video you watch this year, because what I am about to reveal might completely change how you age. Forget bone broth, forget expensive protein powders. There's one everyday food that science now proves can rebuild your muscles, restore strength and help end sarcopenia, the muscle loss that affects over half of adults by age 80. And here is the kicker. Most people over 50 are missing it completely. Here is the truth. Sarcopenia doesn't just make you weaker. It quietly robs you of independence. It increases the risk of falls, fractures, and a declining quality of life. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, muscle loss in older adults is linked to a higher risk of disability and loss of mobility. But the good news? Muscle loss can be slowed or even reversed with the right nutrition and the right food. Now, you might think you need expensive powders, supplements, or hours in the gym, but this one food delivers results faster and more effectively than bone broth, protein shakes, or even intense exercise programs. It's affordable. It's easy to add to your daily diet, and it's something you might already find in your local grocery store. Imagine regaining the strength to climb stairs without stopping. Imagine lifting heavier groceries without strain. Imagine playing with your grandkids without losing your breath. Picture feeling more confident, walking into a room knowing your strength and vitality are stronger than they were a decade ago. That transformation is possible, starting with this one powerful food. Watch till the end to discover the #1 food that builds muscle after 60, why it works, and why bone broth doesn't make the cut. This isn't hype. It's backed by science, and it could change the way you age forever. Before we jump in, I want you to think about something. What's your current go-to source of protein? Is it chicken, eggs, protein powder? Comment below. Your answer might surprise you and could even help others in this community. And hit subscribe so you never miss these science-backed health tips that will keep you strong, active, and thriving after 50. Because here's the thing, getting older doesn't have to mean losing strength. It doesn't have to mean slowing down. And it definitely doesn't have to mean giving up the things you love. Now get ready as we reveal the muscle-building food that can transform strength, stop sarcopenia, and give you back the power of youth without bone broth. You'll never look at your grocery list the same way again. The food I'm talking about is chia seeds. Yes, those tiny, unassuming seeds you've probably seen in smoothies or health stores. But here's the thing, they are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to fuel muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and protect your joints and brain. And for seniors, this combination isn't just beneficial, it's transformational. Let's break this down step by step so you understand exactly why chia seeds are such a game changer. First, protein. Chia seeds are over 20% protein by weight. And unlike many plant-based proteins, they contain all 9 essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to repair and grow muscle tissue. Studies show that seniors who increase their daily protein intake by even 20% can significantly slow muscle loss and improve strength. For example, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who added high-quality protein daily gained up to 30% more muscle mass compared to those who did not. That's huge. Second, fiber. Each tablespoon of chia seeds contains about 5 grams of fiber. That is almost 20% of the recommended daily intake for older adults. Fiber plays a key role in maintaining gut health, controlling blood sugar, and lowering cholesterol. Research has shown that better gut health supports muscle health and immunity, and fiber slows digestion, so you feel full longer, helping with weight control and sustained energy levels. Third, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats aren't a tea just for heart health. They also help reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints, which is critical for anyone dealing with arthritis, tendon pain, or other age-related aches. A 2017 study in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that omega-3 supplementation improved muscle strength and function in older adults. Chia seeds provide a plant-based, accessible source of these powerful fats without the fishy taste of traditional supplements. Fourth, minerals. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, nutrients that support bone health, energy production, and nerve function. For seniors, mineral absorption becomes more important because aging can reduce the efficiency of nutrient uptake. Calcium and magnesium, for example, are crucial for preventing osteoporosis and maintaining strong bones, which is why chia seeds are an easy daily boost for these minerals. Now here's a story that illustrates just how powerful chia seeds can be. My friend Janet, age 68, told me she struggled for years with knee pain and low energy. She tried supplements, special diets, and even physical therapy, but nothing really worked long-term. Then she started adding chia seeds to her morning oatmeal and smoothies every day. Within 8 weeks, she noticed she had more energy, less joint discomfort, and her strength in her daily walks had improved noticeably. Her doctor was amazed. Her muscle mass had even increased slightly. This isn't rare. Anecdotes like Janet's are backed by growing research, showing chia seeds' benefits for seniors. But we can talk about chia seeds without talking about how to get the most out of them. Step 1 is hydration. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This gel slows digestion, helping with nutrient absorption and keeping you hydrated. For older adults, hydration is essential. Even mild dehydration can affect cognition, energy levels, and muscle performance. Adding chia seeds to water, yogurt, or smoothies ensures they work effectively. Step 2 is portion control. Even though chia seeds are a superfood, they're calorie-dense. For most seniors, 1–2 tablespoons daily is plenty to get the benefits without extra calories. Sprinkle them on oatmeal, mix into yogurt, blend into a smoothie, or add to salads. You can even soak them overnight in almond milk or water to make a delicious, easy-to-digest pudding. This versatility makes them easy to integrate into daily life without extra hassle. Step 3 is consistency. Muscle rebuilding and protection is not a one-time fix. It's about daily habits. Chia seeds work best as part of a consistent diet that includes other high-protein, nutrient-rich foods and regular movement. That means pairing them with lean proteins, colorful vegetables, and healthy fats for a truly muscle-supportive lifestyle. But there's more. Chia seeds also help regulate inflammation, which is important not just for muscle health, but also for arthritis, heart health, and cognitive function. Chronic inflammation is linked to conditions like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and autoimmune disorders, and it increases as we age. Chia seeds' antioxidants and omega-3 content fight inflammation on a cellular level, helping protect your body from age-related decline. You might be wondering, isn't flaxseed just as good? Flaxseed is also great, but chia seeds have some advantages for seniors. They require no grinding to access their nutrients, have a longer shelf life, and contain slightly higher levels of protein and fiber. Plus, their hydrophilic nature, meaning they absorb water so well, makes them excellent for hydration and digestion, 2 things seniors often struggle with. Now, let's talk about a hidden benefit: cognition. Research increasingly shows that omega-3 fatty acids help preserve brain health as we age. A study published in Nutrients found that older adults who increased omega-3 intake had better memory and cognitive function. Chia seeds aren't just building muscle, they're also supporting your brain, memory, and mental clarity. That means more energy and independence to enjoy life. Chia seeds also improve sleep quality. It might sound surprising, but the combination of protein, magnesium, and tryptophan in chia seeds helps regulate serotonin and melatonin, the hormones that control sleep. Better sleep supports muscle recovery, hormone balance, and overall health, which is why seniors who include chia seeds in their diet often report waking up more refreshed and energized. Let's be real. Aging doesn't have to mean surrendering strength, stamina, or independence. You have the power to change your body's trajectory. Chia seeds are one of the easiest tools to make that happen. They fit into your life without complicated cooking. They work quietly but effectively, and they help protect muscle, joint, bone, and brain health all at once. Before we wrap up, here is a quick recap of why chia seeds are so powerful for seniors. They build muscle with complete protein, protect joints with omega-3s, improve gut health with fiber, support bone health with minerals, fight inflammation, enhance cognition, regulate sleep, and boost energy. That's a whole body transformation in one small seed. Here's your action step. Start small. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to your breakfast tomorrow. Try it for 2 weeks. Notice how your energy changes, how your joints feel, and how your strength responds. Then make it a daily habit. Over time, the effects compound, and so does your vitality. Comment below which seeds you eat daily. You might be surprised by what's helping or harming you. Share your results after 2 weeks of adding chia seeds. Your story could inspire someone else to take charge of their health. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend over 50 who could benefit, and hit subscribe so you never miss life-changing tips for thriving as you age. Next week, we'll reveal the 5 worst foods for muscle health after 60 hours, and how to replace them so you keep building strength instead of losing it. Remember, aging isn't about decline, it's about choosing the foods and habits that keep you strong, healthy, and independent. Chia seeds aren't a miracle, they're a science-backed, simple daily habit that can help you age stronger. Start today and your future self will thank you.